Hey y'all, it's your girl Alexis here with another video. So, today we're going to be talking about Kartra. It's an all-in-one marketing platform for your business to help you grow your business and build your business. So I'm going to talk about the features and the benefits of working with Kartra. I use Kartra myself for my online business, and it's been working great for me. So the first thing we're going to talk about is products. If you want to sell like an ebook or a checklist or any kind of digital product, you can do that with Kartra. You can click on products right here, and it'll come up. I already have products that I'm selling right now. You click on add a product, and it'll come up, and it'll ask you, I'll show you guys, if it's a main product or is it an upsell or downsell. Then we give your product a name, and then we go through the steps. You also got tracking, you got coupons, sales tax, self-billing. You want to have affiliates, you have affiliates, and your analytics to see what your sales and what your affiliates are doing in your transactions. So next we're going to go to communications. This is good because you want to build your list. And it also shows all your leads in your list. And you also have a list for your email. You're going to have it all, which one is, the latest to all the way to the bottom of it. Then we have the communications where you have your sequences. And your sequences where you have your email, where you send out your email. So your sequences where your emails, when you have broadcasts where they're just one email when you just want to send an email, but the sequences is when you just set them all up and they go out by themselves. So next we're going to go to pages. This is where all your pages, as far as show you the different pages that you can make. As you can see, you also start from a blank canvas. You can have favorites that you use. You can have squeeze pages, video sales pages, thank you pages, long sales pages, product launch, product review, webinars. You have checkout pages, upsell pages, that's your member login, live event pages, affiliate pages, legal pages. If you have a blog, you do blog posts, blog home. You want to do a website, you do that right here. And you also do podcast pages. So this is your checkout pages. You can see different templates that they have, so you don't have to do it from scratch if you don't want to. Just use squeeze pages, video sales pages, and we have some new ones that they just got up. So it's easy to do. It's drag and drop. It's easy to do that. I'll show you how to do that in another video. And then we have your forms. Your forms is where you start, where you build how you build your email list. When someone comes on your website and they fill in their name and information, this is how you build your form in here. You also have analytics for your form, so you can see people who have opted into your form and stuff like that, your visitor subscription and stuff like that. And we also have memberships. So if you want to build a membership, you can do that without having to go to another platform. Then if you want to host your videos, you can host your videos right on Kartra. As you can see, I've hosted a couple of videos on here. You don't have to pay for hosting. And then we have calendars. So say you want to have people book with you, book an appointment with you, you can have the calendar right there and you'll set up with your Google Calendar. Then we also have where you can create surveys and quizzes and a personality quiz. So you just click on this little button right here where it says survey. You'll pick which survey that you want to use that's best for your outcome, and then you just click on create. So you just click on one and you'll click create and you'll just follow the steps. And next we have the help desk. This is for support. You want to give people support, so you have your own help desk. I'm sorry about that. So you don't have to Have another form for support. You have support right in here. You have your tickets, live chat if you want to, and analytics all in there. And then we have the campaigns. Campaigns are really helpful. You go to the campaigns marketplace. With the campaign marketplace, you can find funnels and websites that are already done for you, and they start off as from free all the way up to $1,000. So you can also, so we'll show you from price to low. You see you have some free ones right here. And you just scroll down till you find one that you like. It gives you the details of it. You just watch the video and it'll tell you about the campaign. Then you just click import campaign. And once you click import campaign, you just come over to my campaigns, and that's where it'll show up to. As you can see, I have a couple of campaigns already that I use to help me build my business. And I don't want to build anything from scratch. And next we have integrations. With integrations, you have, like I said, with your Google, that's after your calendars. You got your Kartra mail that's already included. Stripe to collect payments for when you're selling. And some other things too that you can integrate if you already use some: PayPal, Postmark, Square, Trello, Zapier. So if you're already using a membership, maybe such as a member, you can integrate that with Kartra too. And then we have agency. You can run your own Kartra agency. With that, you can have your own, if you have an agency that you want to do sales funnels for people, or maybe if you want to run memberships or post videos for people, you can do that under your own brand. So that's all I have for you guys today as far as how Kartra goes. And Kartra is real good because you can grow your business with it. You can start with, you know, if you don't have a product right now, but you plan on creating a product, this would be great because then you already have it there. You don't have to buy or purchase another system. You got your email all into it. You got your memberships, videos, you got a booking, you got surveys, you got your own support, and you have campaigns to help you. So you don't want to do something, you want to build a funnel, or if you want to build a website from scratch, you have campaigns that can do that. You have a lot of integrations. So I use this as my, like I said, I use this in my business. I have my own product, set up my emails, and I have funnels, and I have my own website, residualmoneytrain.com. If you want to check that out to see how it looks. So, guys are interested in Kartra, I will leave the link below in the description so you can sign up for your 14-day trial. Now, I will tell you a secret: if you get your 14-day trial, when you exit out of it, it'll actually automatically give you a 30-day trial. So, but keep that a secret. But that's all I have for you guys today. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel.